today we are off to Woody Bay.
What's exciting about Woody Bay?
There is a pool, and there's a waterfall, and there's the sea, and there are beautiful views, and then there's us.
Hi, this is Terry, a menopausal 50-something.
And this is Ali,
Yes, Queen!
a socially awkward 30-something. And we are the Dipping Duo.
Two best friends who travel around the country looking for places to dip, swim, walk, dive, bodyboard, and do all the things that we love in and around the open water.
Join us each episode where we find a new location, help guide you there, show you the best spots with useful information so you can enjoy the water as much as we do.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
I believe my darling angel has just arrived, and we're off to Woody Bay. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, this is so nice. I don't have to hold it. Ooh, hands-free.
Woody Bay can be found on the North Devon coast of England. It lies between Linton and Combe Martin. It lies in the civil parish of Martin Hoe and at the edge of the Exmoor National Park, and it's a popular stop-off point for those walking the South West Coast Path. To get there, we travelled along the A39 and turned left at the Linton and Barnstaple Railway Company. Following all the way into the T-junction, when you turn right, there's a big car park at the top of the hill. This one you can park in, however, we decided to carry on down.
Yeah. Good one.
The sun is blinding.
Just like your beautiful face.
This spot here on the right is the lowest point that you can park. It gets quite popular and can be quite busy, so if you try and go any further, you're heading onto a private road.
And we're here.
Hey, wait, who am I? Check out my bad boys. Look at these bad boys. Yes, I could probably squeeze your lunch in because I'm such an amazing friend. Terry's lunchbox, everyone.
It's my handbag.
We collected our things together and then prepared ourselves for the long and windy path all the way down, onto the beach and then to find the sea pool.
Tell me, Terry.
Oh.
What have you got with you? What layers have you got on?
So today I have on a walking top because actually it's breathable and it's warm. Lovely Hill Bay Mermaid's sweatshirt, my lovely gilet. Then I have my jacket, lightweight gloves, the thickest, warmest gloves for afters because jogging bottoms on, and then I've got my lovely Vans wellies, which are the best and they keep my feet warm. Talk us through your outfit today.
So I got my Vivo Barefoot joggers. I got my Corridor Digital big baggy nylon cotton top, Bug House fleece, and then I got my regatta coat, and then I've got my fingerless gloves, but I've also found some actual wool. I think these got given to me as a gift, some woolen gloves. Look, they've got a nice little frill. Got my hat, small top to go on under this when I get out.
That I also have this rather lovely crochet hat that I crocheted. So from the lay-by where we park the car, we are walking down and turning immediately left. And the path zigzags all the way down to the beach. So it's a nice, definitely going to be a nice warm-up walk afterwards.
In the late 1800s, it was hoped that Woody Bay would become a popular holiday resort similar to Ilfracombe and Lynmouth. To help bring in trade, a pier was constructed. However, due to bad weather, low tides and poor planning, ships were prevented from docking and the pier was severely damaged in a storm and never repaired. However, evidence of its existence remains today.
Just walking down, being very, very careful because it's very, very uneven and also quite slippy. It's popular for cold water swimmers and open water dippers because it has a nice tidal sea pool.
Which I know you're probably not going to use this panning around.
Well, no, because also you're doing it portrait.
Damn you. There's our waterfall and the beach. Close up a valley for a change. This is what she does to me. Put it in my camera. Look how pretty. Oh, you were looking pretty. There's the sea. There's our bags. So we climbed up. You're never too old to climb up the rocks. So high tide this morning was 7:48. It's now midday. And the pool is fully exposed. It needs to be at least a couple of hours off of high tide.
Yeah, so I'd say about mid-tide.
Yeah, so always come down on an outgoing tide about mid-tide and you know you're going to get the pool.
Remember how nervous we were to come in the pool last time?
I mean, I'm still thinking, what if there's an eel? Woo! Oh. 1, 2. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, I'm already getting the arse.
Yeah.
I'd just like to say I'm having a lovely time.
Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I mean, if you've got the strength to do that. Are you stepping up as well?
No.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Look at that booty! Baby, work it.
That's the alley pose. That's the alley pose.
Gotcha. Let it show.
So nice, very, very refreshingly cold.
Yeah.
Colder than the sea pool,
Yeah.
but we're
Good. We're going to take a teeny tiny dip in the sea because we are the
dipping duo.
Bit too reedy and a bit too slippy with the rocks, so we weren't fully sure of where kind of is the best place to go in, so we were thinking safety first. So we're gonna go back and just have a final dunk in the little mermaid pool again. Chilly. Really? What the? What the? Were you listening to a word I just said? Yeah, mate. Nice. That's why they call me the Fire Queen.
So nice having the fire.
I know.
It is. When we first got out, I was quite chilly.
I was chilly. We did plan our route, even though it's a small little circuit. We did plan go in the pool, then the waterfall. We'll potentially take a dip in the sea, because we didn't want to go in the sea. We went back in the pool. So I think we got it just right.
Yeah.
I think any longer and
one of us would have been shaking quite a lot.
We would have been quite chilly, yeah.
But thank goodness, got lots of layers on, as we said at the beginning, and I've got my hot drink, and we are making the best use of the fire. It's been great though, mate.
Thanks, buddy.
Another good outing. This is a lovely little walk. Like, so nice that it's not a trek, even though it's all the way downhill. Actually, if I remember rightly, going back last time didn't feel quite so bad. But it's
we'll
nice
tell you when we get to the top. Or halfway. You ready to go, baby girl?
I'm ready. Leave no trace.
We're walking 20 minutes
Yeah.
uphill. And it's a pleasant uphill, it's not horrendous, to be fair. But boy am I warm.
Me too. Ooh, if it was easy, I'd be whipping this buff off right now.
These 5 layers are doing me good.
Show us. So she's undone 2 layers and taken off her gloves.
And
unzipping the top.
So hot. Get off me! I'll just get some air in there. Yay! Freedom!
So that somebody that considers themselves quite fit, that was quite hard work. But we did hoof it.
We just hooned it 25 minutes non-stop walking up. So, I'm so hot.
But feel amazing.
Thanks for joining us on our trip to Woody Bay. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And also, if there's anywhere else you'd like us to go, let us know. See you again.